it is what our comrades died in unmarked graves in Mozambique and Zambia to secure. Cap 3 is a legislative assault on the right every soldier who remembers their oath, every officer who understands what the Zimbabwe National Army exists to protect, must sit with that reality and must understand what it means for their institutional identity and their constitutional obligations. Zalapina mashwa tokapangwa ine atukolamba general awaskufara ne the treatment nezvikuitika mu our beloved country. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Sikoke mapranga nitabira chiti, not as a call to action, as a call to conscience. Zimbabwe's military does not exist to save political factions. It does not exist to protect cartel interests. It does not exist to enable constitutional manipulation that serves the few at the expense of the many. It exists to save Zimbabwe. And Zimbabwe's constitution is under assault. The cartel interests driving Cap 3 are not abstractions. They are specific individuals with specific financial interest, with specific political calculations about what a Chwenka presidency would mean for their business empires they have constructed through proximity to political power. These individuals, this is Gananda, we have fed on the Zimbabwe's public resources with the confidence of those who believe themselves untouchable, have miscalculated in the most fundamental way available to the political powerful. They have confused their current immunity with permanent immunity. They have confused their current influence with permanent influence. They have confused the silence of institutions that are watching and waiting and accumulating evidence with the absence of institutions that are capable of acting Shukananda. The institutions are watching. The evidence is accumulating. The patience of Zimbabwe's constitutional order is longer than your political horizon. Your Excellency, you are a son of the liberation struggle. You have said so yourself repeatedly and publicly. You know the unmarked graves. You know what was promised in those forests and those operational areas. You know what the covenant, the path you are currently working with Cap 3, with the cartel interests that surround you, with the systematic marginalization of the men who made your presidency possible, leads to a destination that your own legacy cannot survive. No developments are pangwa in a comment section. Subscribe or like and hit on the bell icon.